Welcome to Crash Cases, where ordinary roads transform into stages of split-second choices. Here, real collisions reveal how a moment of distraction can alter everything. Follow the motion, feel the tension, and stay grounded as the stories unfold across asphalt and steel. A reckless teen driving a Ford Mustang crashed into an SUV carrying a family of 3, causing a severe accident. Speeding isn't skill. Slow down and drive responsibly. After losing control, a car crashed into a tanker truck, causing the tanker and its driver to fall 20 meters. Sudden loss of control is dangerous. Slow down and stay focused. Reckless lane crossing by a black sedan caused a head-on collision with an oncoming pickup, despite a late correction. Stay disciplined and never risk unsafe overtakes. Behind a truck carrying utility poles, a Mercedes GLE was pierced by a pole after a brief lapse in attention. The driver walked away, safe focus on the road at all times. Trying to run a red light while fleeing police, the white car caused a sudden collision. Reckless escape only multiplies danger. Stop before actions spiral out of control. During a lane conflict between a car and a 3-wheeler, the oncoming motorcyclist was thrown off course. Mixed traffic demands caution, slow down, and watch both sides. Speeding into a careless turn sent the truck plunging off the roadside. Sharp curves punish haste. Slow down early and keep full control. Dashcam footage shows a semi-truck plowing into multiple cars, creating a severe pileup. Sudden hazards can escalate fast. Keep distance and stay alert on busy roads. A semi-truck fell from an elevated roadway onto a tanker below, causing a severe crash. Heighted routes demand caution. Slow down and stay fully focused.
Stop. Traffic blue red. And it's like, oh, bad crash, start medical.
Footage released by the sheriff's office shows a chase involving a stolen vehicle ending in a rollover. Dangerous pursuits unfold fast. Keep distance and stay alert. Losing focus for a moment, the driver hit a barrier and flipped a semi-truck behind him. Distraction is deadly. Keep your eyes on the road at all times. Every crash leaves echoes beyond the frame, reminders of how fragile control can be when awareness slips. As you step back from these moments, let their weight settle and guide your next drive. Protect your space. Watch the flow. Respect the unexpected. If this opened your eyes, share and subscribe to Crash Cases for more stories that keep awareness alive.